What is asteroid? An asteroid is a small rocky object that orbits the Sun. It is often referred to as a minor planet. Asteroids are remnants from the early formation of our solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. They are composed primarily of rock and metal and can vary in size from small boulders to objects hundreds of kilometers in diameter. Most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt, which is a region located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. However, asteroids can also be found in other locations, such as near Earth space or even in the outer reaches of the solar system. Asteroids can have irregular shapes and are generally classified into different types based on their composition. The three main types are C-type, carbonaceous, asteroids. These are the most common type and are rich in carbon compounds. They are dark in color and are thought to resemble the composition of the early solar system. S-type, silicate, asteroids. These asteroids are made up of silicate materials and metal. They are brighter and more reflective than C-type asteroids and are thought to be remnants of larger bodies that were disrupted through collisions. M-type, metallic, asteroids. These asteroids are primarily composed of metal, such as iron and nickel. They are dense and often have a high reflectivity. Asteroids can pose a potential threat to Earth if their orbits bring them close to our planet. In some cases, they can collide with Earth and cause significant damage. However, scientists and space agencies are actively studying asteroids to better understand their properties and develop strategies for potential asteroid deflection or mitigation techniques if a hazardous asteroid is identified in the future. How do asteroids originate? Asteroids are believed to originate from several different sources within the early solar system. The most widely accepted theories of asteroid formation include the following. Accretion in the early solar system. During the early stages of the solar system's formation, a swirling cloud of gas and dust called the protoplanetary disk surrounded the young Sun. Within this disk, small solid particles called planetesimals formed through the process of accretion. Planetesimals are thought to be the building blocks of larger bodies, including asteroids. Over time, these planetesimals collided and merged, forming larger and larger objects, eventually leading to the formation of asteroids. Disruption of larger bodies. Another theory suggests that asteroids are remnants of larger bodies, such as protoplanets or dwarf planets, that were disrupted through collisions. These collisions could have occurred during the early stages of the solar system's formation when the planets were still forming and the gravitational interactions among them were more chaotic. The leftover fragments from these collisions became asteroids. Gravitational interactions. The gravitational influence of larger planets, particularly Jupiter, can also play a role in the formation of asteroids. Jupiter's strong gravitational pull can disturb the orbits of smaller bodies in the asteroid belt, leading to collisions and fragmentations. This process, known as the Yarkovsky effect, can create families or groups of asteroids with similar orbits and compositions. It's important to note that the exact mechanisms of asteroid formation are still areas of active research and investigation. Scientists study asteroids through various means, including space missions, telescopic observations, and meteorite analysis, to gain insights into their origins and the early history of our solar system. Thank you all of you. Subscribe the channel for more updates.